I really can't stay.
Baby, it's cold outside.
I've got to go away.
Baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has been
hoping that you
so
drop in.
very nice.
I'll hold your hands there just like
My mother will start to worry.
Beautiful, what's
My
your
father
hurry?
will be pacing the floor.
Listen to the fireplace
So
roar.
really I better scurry.
Beautiful, please
Well,
don't
maybe
hurry.
just a half a drink more.
Put some music on while I
The
pour.
neighbors might think,
Baby, it's bad out there.
say what's in this drink.
No cabs to be had out there.
I wish I knew how.
Your eyes are like
to
starlight
break the
now.
spell.
I'll take your hat, your hair looks
I
swell.
have to say no, no, no,
Mind
sir.
if I move a little
At least I'm
closer?
gonna say that I tried.
What's the sense in hurting my
I
pride?
really can't stay.
Baby, don't hold out.
Oh, but it's cold outside. My sister will be suspicious.
Man, your lips look so
My
delicious.
brother will be there at the door.
Waves upon a tropical
My
shore.
maiden aunt's mind is
Oh gosh, your
vicious.
lips are looking
Well, maybe
delicious.
just to have a drink more.
Never such a blizzard before.
I've got to go home.
Oh baby, you'll freeze out there.
Say lend me your coat.
It's up to your knees out there.
You've really been great.
I thrill when you touch
but
my hand.
Don't you see?
How can you do this thing to
There's
me?
bound to be talk tomorrow.
Think of my life
At
along
least there will
sorrow.
be plenty implied.
If you got pneumonia and
I
die,
really can't stay.
get over that old doubt.
In each house you find a sleigh that was waiting for this day. And a course down the road, a hill for it's Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill. Ooh, every winter breeze that scurries sends the snowflakes up in flurries. It's the good old sentimental season when folks put runners on their surreys and forget about their worries. And a man becomes a boy once again. Oh, the first snowfall of the winter. Jingle bells wove their spells ever dear. Under windy skies of gray, it was snowing hard all day, and it showed no signs of stopping. Every kid with eyes of popping knew he'd soon be belly hopping on his ear. Oh, the first snowfall of the winter. Oh, the first snowfall of the
children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.